Pence. Did you see that?
Yeah, Icy made an ugly face.
There's always time for dancing.
Oh no, not Norm again. Norm in the North? That movie is torture.
Easy, I'm in it. Plus, I'm going to be debuting my new dance, the Arctic Shake. Listen. Baby, won't you take my hand? Don't be afraid to take a chance. Together there is nothing we can't do. So start it up to get in the groove.
Norm?
That was horrible. Yeah, we deserve better than that.
You want to hear a riddle?
No! Because your movie, Norm in the North, is torture.
What has 2 thumbs, 2-inch long teeth, and loves saving the Arctic?
Nobody.
Not even you, Norm.
Stop! That's not any better.
Hey there, athletic sporting contest fans. How many times have you missed the big game because of a tortilla chip injury? Too many times to remember.
Wow, Brig, it is a talking...
Ben.
What the heck do you even want?
I don't even want your money. You people don't deserve my app. All of you should be ashamed of yourselves. Shame.
Shut your mouth.
Meanwhile, to Gavin Graham.
Oh, hello, Charlie Brown. How may I help you?
I would like to see Suicide Squad and a hot dog with a small popcorn.
Okay, Charlie Brown. Here you go. Enjoy the movie. Hello, Bubble from BFDI. How may I help you?
I would like to see The Secret Life of Pets and with a small popcorn and a small soda.
Okay, Bubble. But I'll give you a warning. Make sure Dora the Explorer is not seeing that movie. If she does see you, she'll pop you. Alright, now go enjoy the movie.
Oh man, I hope Dora doesn't pop me.
Meanwhile, to Gavin Graham's friends.
Guys. I have some plans of what we are going to do to Dora.
Oh, really? What is it?
Well, I plan to force Dora the Explorer to listen to songs that get stuck in her head all the time.
I got the eye of the tiger, a flyer.
Tonight we are victorious, champagne pouring over us.
All I do is win, no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough.
Show me your gold, do what you're told. No time for games, put on your blindfold.
What?
Shut up or I'll shut you up.
Well, Claudio, that was awesome. I also plan to arrest Dora. Dora the Explorer.
You are under arrest.
No.
Hey guys, I have a very cool plan. Bringing the AC-130 on Dora.
Hi, Max. It's me, Dora. And I'm going to pet you.
Oh no, you don't, Dora.
Oh, no. It's Katie.
That's right, Dora. And how dare you try to pet my dog, Max? That's it. I'm calling Nickwell to get the AC-130 on you.
Come on, Max. Let's get going so we won't get hit.
Enemy AC-130 above!
What? Enemy AC-130! AC-130! No!
Come back here, Dora.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I don't have much time to do the Garfield and the other sound effects, but here's what I'm going to do.
I think it's over.
Yes, Dora is dead. Alright, sorry I haven't got any time yet, cause I have to go. Alright, bye. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is Gavin Graham signing off. Stay tuned for part 4, alright?